In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a company file in QuickBooks Online. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online account. You'll need to log in as an admin user because only admins have access to the subscription and billing area. If you're not sure whether you're an admin, check the role assigned to your user in QuickBooks or sign in with the main account you used when you first set up the company file. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. You'll see a small gear icon, often called the Settings or Gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the account-level settings and tools. From the menu that opens, you'll either see an option called Account and Settings or one called Subscriptions and Billing, depending on your version or region. If you see Account and Settings, click that, and then we'll move into the subscription area from there. If you see subscriptions and billing directly, you can click that and skip ahead a bit. If you went into Account and Settings, you'll notice several tabs running along the left or across the top. Look for the tab labeled Billing and Subscription and select it. This is the section where QuickBooks shows your active plans, billing details, and renewal information for your company file. In the Billing and Subscription tab, find the section that lists your current active subscription for this specific company. You should see the plan name, billing frequency, and next charge date. Right around there will be a link or button that says Cancel Subscription. Click that link when you're sure you're working with the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one company. After you click Cancel Subscription, QuickBooks will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These might include a short survey asking why you're canceling, as well as information about what happens to your data after cancellation and how long you'll have read-only access. Carefully read each screen so you understand any implications, like when your access will end and how to export your data if you need a backup. When you reach the final confirmation screen, select Cancel Plan to confirm your choice. Once you click that, QuickBooks will process the cancellation for that company file. You should see a confirmation message, and in many cases, you'll also receive an email confirming that your subscription has been canceled.